Alright. So, you want to do it like that?
It's done.
Like that. I think that one's for the longer one, though.
You can open it.
That. And then the shorter ones. They go here. That don't work. Alright. I'm starting to think they all the same length. All just upside down. Like this. And then like this. Alright, so now you have all these 4 sections, but that one's open. Alright, so you ready? You gotta put all the different colors in. Alright, so divide your suitcase. Oh, you might be missing one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I don't do that space.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Space.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't do that space.
Yeah, I think we're missing one, Bri. Missing one?
Easy, easy.
1, 2,
Easy,
3, 4, 5.
easy, easy. Easy, easy. Easy, easy.
Oh well. Either way, we still got 4 spaces back here. Okay, yeah. So, open this. Open. And then put this in here. Alright. And then the next one.
What's the next one?
This one. And open this one. Put it in here. Alright. That one. Listen. I'm gonna open this one. Put it here.
Next.
Hold on.
That's the
Alright, and then this one. Alright. And then when he closes it, you can go like this.
open.
Alright, let's see something. So let's see. Open it up. Alright, let's see. When you open it now, they're all in the same place. Okay. Alright, you ready to go play?
Yeah.
Oh, you left this one out.
That one.
Alright, look. So put them in here when you play. Okay? So you don't lose anything. Yep, put them in here when you play. Yep, play with them in there. Alright, let's see. That's super cool. Alright, yeah. Ooh, look. And they show you different things in here that you can play.
G.
And they show you the steps to make them. That's super cool. I love it. Yeah.
G.
I think that one's look like a robot. Yeah.
This one.
Oh, a car.
G.
Wheels. Elephant. I think it's shooting out water.
G. Look.
Giraffe.
Look, mommy.
I think it's the bottom of the elephant.
G.
I see, Barry.
G.
Oh, yeah. Definitely got some.
G.
So this is all the ones that are in here. All right. I'm going to get to my workout.
Eyeball.
All right, have fun. Throw this up in the trash. Bar, put it in there. Then you can make stuff in here. See? You put it together. Like that. Like that. Repeat that.
Yes.
You guys literally just excited. Guys, you're switching the classes. get their plastic in the box. Said nope. Didn't find that. Alright, bring along break. Make these things. Ages 4 to 99. Hold on. Hold on. Look. Ages 4 to 99. Alright, I'm gonna go throw this in the trash, okay? Right back.
Thanks for watching.